Tirona.
We are Land Bank, and we are here for you. We are Land Bank, helping make your dreams come true. In this country of brave new world, a world for me and for you. Land Bank, serving the nation. Land Bank.
Serving the nation for 60 years, Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, member PDIC and BancNet.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Jessa, 25 years old. Dati may leukemia ako. Kasabay sa pag-take ko ng aking mga gamot, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Ang laking tulong talaga ng Santon Plus. And finally, I'm a leukemia survivor.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Direct from London and back by popular demand. The Bootleg Beatles is coming back to Manila. At the Theater at Soler. Featuring the Beatles' biggest hits. Magical Mystery Tour. I Wanna Hold Your Hand. Don't Let Me Down. Hey Jude. And many more. Stunning authenticity and musical brilliance. Come and see why this is the greatest Beatles show in the world. Tickets available at ticketworld.com.ph. Ticket World Outlets, Soler Box Office. Don't miss the Bootleg Beatles live at the Theater at Soler. Presented by Concert Republic.
Ang kape ko, Santon Plus Coffee Mix. Ang kape na gawa sa Santon, soya at malunggay. Sarap araw-arawin. Santon Plus Coffee Mix. May kape ka na, may gamot ka pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Malasakit, likas sa puso ng Pilipino, sa ngiti o luha, handang magbigay ng aruga sa oras ng pangangailangan. Nagbibigay ng lunas, nagtatanim ng pag-asa at pagmamahal. Maging mahabagin kayo sa isa't isa at magpatawad tulad ng pagpapatawad sa inyo ng Diyos. Ephesians 4:32. Malasakit, ikaw ay MX-Extraordinary Pinoy. Brought to you by MX3 Coffee and Tea.
MX3. Tunay, natural, at original.
UNIAPAC, the International Christian Union of Business Executives, brings their 28th World Congress to Manila, Philippines, with a theme of new paradigms for business sustainability that aims to address the need for innovative business practices in a post-pandemic world. Engage with like-minded businessmen and professionals as we navigate insights, take the business practices to the next level, beyond profitability and towards sustainability. The 28th UNIAPAC World Congress is happening on October 23 to 26, 2024 at the Marriott Hotel, Newport World Resorts, Pasay City. For tickets and inquiries, please visit www.bcbp.global.com, www.uniapac.org, and visit the BCBP Kapatiran Facebook page.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako si Nico Delfin, dating TV reporter ng Kapamilya Network. Siguro kung naka-Santon Vitamin C ako araw-araw. Importante kasing maiwasan ng sakit at mapalakas natin ang katawan.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is
Pride detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Hi, I'm Trixie Gumatay, 27 years old. In my life, I faced a lot of challenges. I am a working student since senior high until I finished my college. Napagtagumpayan ko lahat ng yun with the help of God. Malaking tulong din sa akin ng MX3 capsule kasama ang tamang pagkain at ehersisyo. MX3 inspires me to be excellent sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ko. Now, isa na akong Philippine Air Force enlisted personnel. I'm Trixie Gumatay sa MX3, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako po si Angelica. May bukol po ako sa tuhod, kaya hirap po talaga ako maglakad. Nag-take ako ng Santon Plus araw-araw at isang buwan lang. Palit ang bukol ko. Epektibo talaga ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Yan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako po ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. Matanong po ninyo, bakit panatag ang loob ko sa MX3? Dahil ito ay tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Mga natural na nutrients mula sa mangosteen. Meron din itong Seal of Quality Excellence at manufactured sa GMP at ISO certified na planta. MX3 is my choice. Tunay, natural at original.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3 Capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas sa sakit.
Ito ang DCXL News. 558 kHz. 6 na dekadang maaasahan sa balita at serbisyo publiko. Ang himpilan ng RMN Network sa Mega Manila. Live sa radyo at online.